I attended an evening cooking class at La Maison Arabe in Marrakesh, where I learned to make Moroccan tea and chicken tagine. Our tutor was Youssef, who explained the history of the spices and what we were about to do.
Hi, my name is Youssef.
He first showed us the spices, made us smell them, and then he told us about the history of Moroccan cooking. Following this, a lady showed us how to make authentic Moroccan tea using mint and lots of sugar. After the tea making exercise, we proceeded upstairs to the cooking classroom. La Maison Arabe has various classrooms, all specializing in cooking classes with high-tech equipment. We were in classroom 2, which is for smaller groups. Here, we began by learning to make bread, followed by preparing the vegetables and slicing the onion. Once that was out of the way, we made the side dish and then put the chicken in the tagine dish. We also learned how to decorate the dish with some lemon and tomato peel. Youssef also explained how to make a creamy dessert with orange water, which was absolutely delicious. About half an hour after the chicken started cooking, everything was ready and we sat down to eat it all.
What kind of thing do you have to write?
Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe.